folks. This I did an eBay search on, and apparently it's a leaf. It's a Knowlson No.3. I think I read it's a spring lifter, a leaf spring spreader. I don't know how the hell you spread a leaf spring with it, but it's one mighty fine nutcracker, if you ask me. I'll crack your nuts with this. Perfect job. This spins right here, that little spinny thing here. It's got a little thing here, and there you go. Works good. It's got lots of good old-fashioned patina on it. Not a little thing I bought. I was like, hey, what is that? And like usual, I just keep buying them. It's got a little bit of rust right here, which a little bit scraping off, but let's see if we can scratch off some rust here. It's pitted there. I'll have to, when I'm done buying tools, I'll start a whole slew of de-rusting them and, what do you call it, rebluing them all, just for the fun of it. Just sand it off, put some nice, I'll put a, like, I think Skullcraft or one of them does it. They clean off all the tools and they rub some, I don't know if it's like paint in there maybe. Put some paint in there, just rub it across. Fill in it, nice color. Be a nice little restoration. These are peened on each side, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. And I got like 1,200 videos of random crap. So just keep watching. There's the button.